Let's create an AI customer support app using Python. We import Flask for the web framework, TF-IDF Vectorizer to convert chat messages into numerical vectors, multinomial NB as our intent classification model, and NumPy for numerical operations such as calculating confidence scores. This initializes the Flask application so we can define routes and handle HTTP requests. We define a collection of training sentences covering common customer support topics such as password resets, order tracking, refund requests, and human agent assistance, providing examples for the model to learn from. These are the intent labels corresponding to each training sentence, teaching the model which support category each message belongs to. We initialize a TF-IDF Vectorizer and fit it on the training sentences, transforming text into weighted numerical feature vectors that capture word importance. We initialize a multinomial naive-based classifier and train it on the TF-IDF vectors so it can identify the intent behind incoming customer messages. We create a dictionary that maps each intent label to a predefined support response, allowing the chatbot to return an appropriate reply after classification. This route serves the homepage, rendering the HTML UI where users can interact with the customer support chatbot. This route handles post requests from the chat interface, extracting the user's message from the JSO request and returning a fallback response if no message was provided. We transform the user's message into a TF-IDF vector using the same vocabulary learned during training, ensuring the input matches the model's expected format. We predict the most likely intent, retrieve probability scores for all possible intents, and use NumPy to extract the highest confidence value from those probabilities. If the model's confidence is below 25%, we return a fallback message asking the user to rephrase or connect with a human agent. Otherwise, we return the predefined response associated with the predicted intent. We return a JSO response containing the chatbot reply, detected intent, and confidence score so the front end can display the complete conversation result. This starts the Flask development server in debug mode, enabling live reloading and detailed error output during development. Now here is our index.html, where I have designed the all-user interface. If you'd like access to this code, just send me a message on our Discord server.